So in this video, we are going to deal with the type 2 questions. So type 2 in the sense what happens here. Suppose r is a function of x and it is given by k into cos ax or k into sin ax. Okay. So how to do this type of questions where you will be getting RHS side the function of x. Okay. So this is nothing but non-homogeneous differential equation. So in this type of question, what we can do, what is the procedure, what is the steps we have to follow, well, let us try to understand here. So we'll start with the solution. So solution basically consists of what? Suppose y is the solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation. It is given as CF plus PI, or we can say the complementary function and the particular function or integral. Okay. So this is basically denoted by YC and this is nothing but YP. So combination or the summation of both the YC and YP will give you the total solution of the given equation. So starting with, it is already given in D. Okay, so we can directly go with the auxiliary equation which is given by, just replace D with M. Only we have to consider inside the bracket thing. So m square plus 9 is equal to 0. So auxiliary equation, that's why equal to 0. From this we have to get the value of m. How to get the value of m? M square is equal to, bring that 9 that side. So we have to shift 9 to that side. So it will become minus 9. So m value will be equal to plus or minus square root of minus 9. Right? So plus or minus square root of minus 9. Minus the square root, always I will come. So you have to understand this answer will be plus or minus 3i. Very important. It is not 3 because square root of minus 1 is basically I. You have to understand that. So when the roots are complex, this is nothing but a complex number. Suppose the roots are in the form m is equal to alpha plus or minus I beta. Suppose it is in this form. So the solution of this particular thing will be e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Right? Now if you compare it with this thing, you can understand from here that this is real part is not there. Alpha is nothing but real part. This is the imaginary part beta. So real part is not there. That means only beta is there, 3. Right? Alpha is not there, only beta is there. So this part you can eliminate, right? Because alpha is not there. Only this part you have to write in the solution. So the complementary function will become what? YC is equal to C1 cos, instead of beta, what you are going to write? 3x plus C2 sin 3x. So this will be the solution. Okay. So after getting the value of YC, what we are going to do? We are going for the next thing, YP or particular integral. YP will be 1 divided by whatever the function is there inside the bracket d square plus 9, whatever is there inside the bracket after taking out y common, that you have to write in the denominator, into RHS part cos ax. That means cos 4x is there, whatever is there that you have to copy paste. So basic idea here is nothing but, whenever you are getting this type of problems, what you have to understand is that, suppose k cos x is the problem. So you will write yp as 1 divided by function of f of d, okay, into k. You can place it over here. So let me just rewrite this one. So k into 1 divided by function of d into cos ax. This is the way to write the yp value. So here you can observe that this k is not there. K is nothing but the coefficient of cos ax. That is not there. That's why I have not written anything here. So 1 divided by function of d. What is the meaning of function of d? This part. That you have to copy paste, and cos ax you have to multiply. That's it. Now after this, how to find the solution? Remember one important concept here, that you have to write, substitute d square is equal to what? Minus of a square. Remember, very important, in place of d square, not d cube, only d square. So whenever you are getting this type of problems, always remember you have to replace d square with what? Minus a square. What is a here? A is nothing but this cos ax is there, right? That a you have to place. So how to place? Let us see. So yp is equal to 1 divided by d square plus 9 and into cos 4x is there. I am rewriting again this one. So a square, what is the meaning of that? So in place of d square you have to put it at what? Minus 4 square. What is the meaning of minus 4 square, which is equal to what? Minus 16. See, there is a difference between minus 4 whole square and minus 4 square. There is a difference, right? So this answer will be what? This answer will be 16 plus 16 and this answer will be minus 16. So we have to follow this part. Minus a square. That's why I have written here. Minus then a square. It is not minus a the whole square. There is a difference. Because minus 4 the whole square is basic meaning is minus 4 into minus 4. But this meaning is nothing but minus then 4 into 4. There is a difference between both. Okay, that you have to understand. Now minus 16 has come here. That you have to substitute. So what will happen? Yp is equal to 1 divided by d square, in place of d square minus 16 plus 9 into cos 4x. So that is equal to 1 divided by minus 16 plus 9, which is equal to minus 7 into cos 4x. Our intention is basically to eliminate this d value. Okay, so whenever you're getting, see, it is not if you're getting d value you have to substitute minus a square. No, this you have to remember that always it is a d square. D square you have to substitute as what? Minus a square. Okay, so here we are not getting any d value remaining. D value is not remaining, right? See, we have got directly one number. If it is remaining, that type of problems also will solve what we have to do. But in this case, it is not there. So directly this is the answer. So you can write minus 1 by 7 into cos 4x. So this is the answer for yp. Directly you have to substitute and get the answer. So our y value will be equal to yc plus yp. So yc is nothing but the previous value which we got, which is equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus this value you have to put, which is nothing but minus 1 by 7 cos 4x. So this will be the answer.